what's up, guys? Coming to you with a video because I ordered some stuff from Shein and I just opened the package, but I didn't open any products, so I was like, hey, let's make a quick video. So me and Ellie, who's coming around, we try to make a hair video. You can't, cause no, your costume. We made a slick back video. That video was a complete disaster. But my slick back waves, it was tight. This time I used a curling gel. I should have used a gel with hold to make it stick down. But that's why my hair looks like that. Hey, it is what it is. We gonna still make this video. So I ordered this stuff on August 6th and today is August 17th. So it took 11 days, which is pretty quick. I think all this stuff came to like $49 because I said I wasn't gonna buy a whole bunch of stuff. I didn't buy any clothes, mainly accessories. So let's just get into the video. So I want to get some scarves that I can wear at night or even during the day, because I'm gonna start protective styling and cover my hair. Now I know this is not satin, it's a polyester, but I thought this pattern was pretty. And I already told you they're gonna be doing all of that. What? This is actually soft.
Yeah, it's pretty, guys.
And I figured it would be fun to do, like, open everything on camera so you guys can get a true reaction, because I'm not expecting too much from this stuff. So yeah, like this is, I cannot believe this. I don't remember the measurements, but I cannot believe this is like, this side is like a soft silky material, and then the other side, you know. Okay, I'm pleasantly surprised. Let's keep this moving. Oh, I just dropped something. Can you get that for me, honey? I got a scalp massager. We'll see how this works.
Like you can scratch off this stuff?
It should work. My hair is short, so we'll see. I'll let you guys know how this works.
But that's not for a scarf, Mom.
It's
to
not.
get out the dirt.
So here's another one we got. Oh, I'm just dropping everything. Another scarf. I mean,
so
it's enough to you fold it in a triangle.
Mom, let's try all of them on.
Boom! But I know I need to wash it, so we gonna get too.
We
won't get too comfortable with it. All right, so we got the scarf. Hold on.
What's that?
We got the massager. Oh no, one at a time, honey.
Okay. Let's open it.
If you cooperate, I'll let you open one. Okay. So here's another one, same size, silky on front, not so silky on the other side. Like I said, this is like a polyester, and I am pleasantly surprised. What else we got in here? Lord, I ordered some earrings. These are actually decent in size. So this is how they came packaged. I'm not gonna put them on because I don't got no alcohol wipe to wipe it down. But this, boom, are you serious? How about it came broke? Oh, wait a minute. Did it come broke? Yes. It came broke.
Can you fix it?
No, this part of the butterfly broke off. See?
Sorry. Well, you can wear different hoops.
Well, I mean, we could do like Janet Jackson did in the 1990s with the key earring and have one earring with the butterfly and one earring without for $2. I mean,
Mommy, why you just can't break the other one off and then pay for it? How you did it?
I'll tell you. And there was a review I saw, a video where somebody said they could do a better job packaging. I guess they tried. They put it in between the scarves, but like I said, for $2. Now these, I have something similar. These are actually, wow, these are actually
and they didn't break,
cute.
guys.
And they didn't break.
I like those.
These are actually cute.
And if you
Oh, and that's what the back looks like.
Ooh, want me to be quiet while she's talking?
And they're not like plastic. These are.
Wait, Mom, they're different.
These are actually cute.
Wait, Mommy.
These are actually cute, y'all.
Guys, did they can turn them over?
They're like a metal, not plastic. Okay, okay. Shein.
Shein.
For the longest time, I was saying Shein until I went on YouTube.
Is she in?
And I was like, oh, it's Shein. Shein. Okay,
Shein.
let's keep it moving.
Is she in?
Ooh,
I like that
I
one.
ordered a big. This is a big one.
It sounds good one this time, right?
Oh, this is a tea. Oh, I forgot.
Oh!
This thing is huge. What the hell?
I can wear that for a nightgown. Cause I
This
do.
looks big.
Yeah, it can fit Daddy.
It's a 2X.
It can fit
But
Daddy.
this is too big.
But Daddy is a 2X.
But this is cute. But
And
Daddy's
no,
not
that's
gonna wear this
cute,
because it's
too.
not for men. It's for girls. It's
I
a
can wear
nice
boys.
cotton material. I'm mad I ordered this and it is big like this.
Just give it to me. I can use it for me to sleep.
Oh no, honey, I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna rock it some
You're
kind of way.
gonna wear
But
it
this
to
is huge.
You can just tie it up.
And it's a nice cotton material, for real. Wow, okay. And I learned a new term yesterday being on YouTube. This is considered fast fashion. Which, oh, this is just a little thing. Here, she wants to open it.
Okay, so,
Just pull it out. Oh, y'all see me? The struggle. What's that?
where it goes to this,
It doesn't.
Hang it
Can
up.
you just show them?
It's a little.
Okay,
thing.
so I've been wanting something to put on the wall is to hang your keys. So that's what that is.
Wait, it's so pretty. It matches this.
Wait a minute, how does it stick? What?
You take this off.
No, you don't. I done bought.
Wait, let me try. You put tape. You roll the thing.
Yeah,
And you put tape on
like
it
there's
back.
nothing to. There's no adhesive on
I
there.
think you have to roll the tape and then put it on it. Just
Girl,
stick it.
it was only $1. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. Here's the adhesive right here in the package. Okay, here comes Spider-Man.
Bye, Lalo. Just show you don't
All
have
right,
your
here's
back
another
zip.
shirt.
Wait, that can fit me.
No, this
Oh.
can't.
What size are you, Mom?
Now this, I don't know what kind of material it is,
Shein.
but it's stretchy.
Mommy, this is from
And
Shein.
it's pretty close to the
Shein.
what I saw on the internet. This is stretchy material. This is cute.
Shein.
They know.
Guys, comment down below if you like this dress or if you have it.
She's like, thank you. Yes, I never say that. Comment down below. I appreciate your help. All right, what else we got?
Let's see that one.
Yeah, I saw these kind of peeking through. Now these look kind of gaudy.
You may not see all of it because of the price tag. Well, not the price tag. The little.
Yeah, these are cute.
Can I try them on?
They're a little gaudy in person.
No.
Oh, hold on, honey. But these look cute. Can y'all see? These are actually cute. They're vibrant. These are cute. They're gaudy, but they're cute. They're cute. They're cute. All right, guys, we're almost done. Thanks for hanging there with us. It is like Native American. Okay. The feathers.
Wait, are those real feathers, Mom? Oh.
Oh, what did I drop?
Okay.
Here's another one.
You
I
dropped
mean,
so many
it's
papers.
vibrant. It's shiny on one side, kind of rough on the other
Bye,
side.
guys.
Wow, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous?
I'm using this.
Elia, please.
I'm gonna keep it.
What did I drop? A pen?
Yeah. It fell
All right, so I guess this must be.
I'm out there.
Oh, I forgot I ordered this.
A green shirt.
No, honey.
Green pants?
I'm gonna have to do a.
Mommy, I told you. Oh, it's a green t-shirt.
It's
oh,
a cotton
pants.
one-piece pantsuit
And
that I
shirt.
could be
Oh.
lounging in.
Mommy,
This material, it's
I'm
like
gonna get one, right?
Oh yeah. It's like a nice stretchy cotton material. Oh, okay, Shein. Ooh. What?
What?
No, because you don't have, stop, please.
Shoot.
All right, I hope it fits, but I'm pleasantly surprised. Like,
You smell good.
this is a nice cotton light material. Yeah, I'll be able to wear this in the summer into the fall, even with the winter layer it. Oh, honey.
But it's short too.
So my first time getting stuff off of Shein, I would say we did very well, with the exception of one earring that broke. Everything else, I am pleasantly surprised. So,
Thank you, Shein.
like Ellie said, comment down below if you have any questions. Let us know what you liked, maybe what you didn't like. But as always, peace out, guys.
Bye. Give this a big thumbs up too. Hello, my
Here comes Spider-Man.
Here comes Buddy.